In today's episode, we're going to be looking at the best bits from the Apple iPhone event. Don't go anywhere. So Apple had their event on the 10th of September and boy did they surprise us. We've seen and read all the rumours online, what might be released, what the phone will look like and more. So let's jump in and take a look at some of the highlights from the Apple event 2019. The event started by them talking about their brand new gaming platform, Apple Arcade. Now think of it as a Netflix equivalent of gaming. There's over 100 new games being rolled out this autumn and unlimited access to all of them. Granted, some of them are not great though. The service will be rolled out from the 19th of September and for $4.99 a month for a family subscription. Next in the lineup, they spoke about their new TV service, Apple TV+. Earlier this year, Apple announced that they're working on an on-demand video service. We got to see some of the shows that are coming out on their platform, and they even showed us a trailer to one of their new shows, See, featuring Jason Momoa, which actually looked not too bad. Apple TV Plus will be available from the 1st of November for only $4.99 a month for the whole family. And as an added surprise, or treat if you may, when you buy any new Apple product, you get Apple TV Plus for free for 1 year. Next, Apple introduced the 7th generation iPad. The new iPad is now larger than its predecessor with a 10.2-inch display. It'll now feature a Retina display as well as a smart connector, so you can connect the optional full-size keyboard accessories to make it more like a kind of laptop experience. The iPad will also work with the 1st generation Apple Pencil, if you have them, and of course you can connect your SD card or thumb drive directly into the iPad. They have added a 8-megapixel camera to the device, meaning you can still take great images and videos and still edit them using the new iPad OS. The battery life has also been improved on the iPad as well. It's now got up to a 10-hour battery life, meaning you can take it away, you can watch movies or edit videos and loads more. Apple have really kind of made it really affordable, as it's just starting out at $329 or $299 for anyone in education. Pre-orders have started now and shipping will be available from September the 30th. But Apple didn't stop there. Next, it was time for the Apple Watch Series 5, which I get really excited about actually. A few improvements have been made to the new Apple Watch, starting with the battery life. Apple have now stated that you can get up to 18 hours battery life from it, which will last you all day. There are a bunch of other features built into the watch, things like always on display, international calling, ECG monitors, fall detection, and if you're really fussed about it, there's a bit of compass built in as well. Anyway, the watch will come with a variety of colours and styles, from gold, black, it's a polished version, there's a titanium, there's a brushed metal, brushed spaced black and ceramic, and there's quite a few, put it that way. You can pick up the GPS model for $399 and the cellular model is $499 and will be available from September 20th. But it wouldn't be an Apple event without any new iPhone. They announced the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. The iPhone 11 features will have a 6.1-inch liquid Retina display with the toughest glass apparently on an iPhone ever. That'll be interesting to see. There's a dual camera setup on there with a 12-megapixel wide lens with image stabilization built in and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view. The iPhone 11 shoots beautiful, sharp 4K videos with up to 60 frames per second across all its cameras, which I am personally really excited to see, especially action shots and all that kind of stuff. But a new feature brought to the iPhone this year is night mode, and this is the feature that turns on automatically for low light photos. So there's apparently no need for a flash, but colours are more natural and photos are generally quite brighter. They've now added slow motion video to the front facing camera, of Apple have named it a Slowfi. A bit of a gimmick, but I'm not sure it won't be long until Twitter is full of people doing a selfie, so that'll be something interesting to look forward to. It's 36% brighter and runs on the new A13 Bionic chip. There are loads of other features from tap to wake, haptic touch, spatial audio, and it's water and dust resistant as well. It's going to come in a variety of colours, from black, purple, white, yellow, green, red, and you can pick it up for $699 as well, so a really good affordable price really. Apple also announced the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now the two devices will come in two different sizes. The Pro will come in as a 5.8-inch display and the Pro Max will come with a 6.5-inch display, and they both will run the A13 chipset. The phones come with Super Retina XDR, which gives you great colour. I'm really looking forward to seeing content coming from it, but which Apple didn't really specify in terms of battery life and how long they'll last and how long it takes to charge, that kind of stuff. So again, that'll be something when we get a bit hands-on, we can give you some more information about that as well. But let's talk about what we all wanted to know, and that's the cameras on the iPhone. Yes, the cameras. So they've got a 12 megapixel wide lens, a 12 megapixel telephoto camera, and then the new 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with a 120 degree field of view. All three cameras can shoot in 4K 60 frames a second, as we said, giving you really good images and videos, kind of better than before. Overall, this is a massive improvement from the iPhone 10, and I'm really excited to see what videos and content really do come from it once the device is actually launched. Now, another great feature of the Pro lineup is the ability to use the Filmic Pro app. So now this will allow you to record multiple shots at once using all the cameras that are on board the device. So this level of filmmaking has really stepped up a game now. So again, just showing the power of the processor and seeing what it can do just on a smartphone, to me, just mind-blowing. But the iPhone 11 Pro will start at $999 and the Pro Max will start at $1099 and will be available from September 20th. So plenty packed into the event, but what are you excited to see? Would you buy the latest iPhone or iPad or Apple Watch? Let us know as always by getting those comments in the box below, because as you know, we always love to hear from you. And don't forget, you can support us on Patreon as well by becoming one of our patrons. I will put all the details in the description for you to go and check out when you get a chance. But thank you very much for joining us, but we'll see you next time on MMBTechTv. Bye-bye for now.